Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me. I'm Jagat dari Khatulistiwa, and today I will give you some tutorial videos. In the previous videos, I already teach you about some stub area from OSPF and then totally stub area. And now on, I will give you tutorial about NSSA. What is NSSA? NSSA is Not-So-Stubby Area. What is Not-So-Stubby Area? Previously, I said stubby area is like cool area, and totally stub area is stub area, but you can dance on it. But what is not so stubby area? Yeah, it's same as stub area, but you can dance on it. Like it's not it's a little bit different, but this I will teach you. I will explain to you what is not so stubby area. Not-So-Stubby Area is if we set the area, that area can't advertise the external route, but can advertise internal route. But what is the difference between Not-So-Stubby Area and stub area? Not-So-Stubby Area is the area that can share the external route that area have. Like I want to change area 1 to be Not-So-Stubby area, but I have external route inside of area 1. With Not-So-Stubby area configuration, we can share that external route to other route, but we can't advertise that external route that come from other area. That's simple explanation for me. And how to configure it? First, to make it better configuration, so I will add some external route in router 7. Like enable configure terminal interface loopback 1 IP address 333 1. Okay, interface loopback 2 IP address 2 332 /32 interface loopback 3 IP address. Okay, don't forget the mask. Done. I will make the external route is come from RIP. Router RIP is no auto summary. Okay, IP address network 330. Okay, do right on it. After that, change to router OSPF 1. Don't forget to redistribute it. Redistribute RIP subnets. Do right. Wait for a second. Maybe do show IP route. You can see on it. It's 33.123 connected as already. But what in router 5? Enable show IP route. You can see /33 is E2. It means redistribute from RIP. So the external route is already advertised, but I want to change the area 1 to become the area NSSA. So you can see on it, we can still advertise 456. Means that it comes from external routes that in ARP 10. So I will change it to become NSSA. So just router OSPF 1 area 1 stop NSSA like that. Only that. In router 6 also. Conf t router OSPF 1 area 1 NSSA. Do right. Just wait for a second. Do show IP route. We can see on it the internal route. We can still advertise it and disconnected one, but we can't advertise the ARP as S10 as well as external route come from router 5. So it's not come from our routers, so our area, so it can't be advertised. But if we see in router 5, we can still advertise 33 51 under 3. You can still advertise the external routes come from router 7, means comes from NSSA area. So that's how NSSA works. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for listening and watching my video. I apologize if something that I said wrong. Thank you. I'm Jawad Arif Khatulistiwa. See you around. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.